This music right here sort of sounds like Michael Jackson, so listen to it.
Or a fat black lady.
No offense.
Not being racist.
Which, it sounds cool. Sounds like Michael.
Now we're getting to real training.
That kid wasn't fast enough. He's gonna train so he can be fast.
Ready, set, go!
Yeah, this music sucks in the background. Oh no, Stubby Kid, he's gonna drown! Well, he can't. He's invincible. Stubby Kid, you can't. Ooh, Stubby Kid got hit with a missile.
Oh, he's back too.
Ew, it's Chunky Eggman.
There's Knuckles!
Oh no, he's in third.
Now move it, fat echidna. Look at Sonic run. He looks like an idiot. Ow!
He fell off the ledge.
Stupid tail.
Eggman cheated. He went around the other way.
Amy's in fifth.
She's ugly and stupid.
She drives a car because she's too fat to run. She's too obese.
Speed! Ooh, hit the sign. Yay, he came in second. Sonic came in first.
Ew. Amy came in fifth.
Go, Stubby Kid, go! Watch out for the fathead echidna. Go, go, go! Yeah, this music sucks too in the background. We'll be right back when he's on lap 3. Now he's on lap 2. Go, Stubby Kid, go!
Run, Stubby Kid. I'm crashing into the wall. Stubby Kid, Stubby Kid, Stubby Kid. They're cheering me on. Come on, I'm in third.
Must do better.
Stubby Kid, Stubby Kid, Stubby Kid. Come on, I can do this. Ow! I hurt my feet. Whee! Sonic, you run like an idiot. Go faster.
I thought you could run at 170 or 150 or whatever.
175, Sonic. You're disappointing me. Woo! I gotta go faster, even though this is poorly programmed. Maybe I should enter the Olympics after this. faster than Sonic the Hedgehog himself. I'm doing pretty good. Third place. Stubby Kid, aka Tails, will be going into the Olympics. Stay tuned, for Stubby Kid will be entering the Olympics.